If by now you haven't updated these 4 settings that I'm going to mention on this video, then you are still far behind, because failing to utilize this setting is going to lead to you losing out on views, losing out on subscribers, watch hours, and revenue if you are monetized here on YouTube. So make sure to stick to the end of this video and go and turn on these 4 settings that I'm going to mention on your YouTube channel if you're actually interested in growing here on YouTube. Also, if you have any questions towards the ends of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button to stay connected to my YouTube channel, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials that can actually help you to grow your own YouTube channel. Alright, let's get right to it. The first settings have to do with choosing the right category, because in order for YouTube to push your videos to the right audience, you yourself have to make sure you've picked the right category, because if you actually choose the wrong category, it's going to push your video to the wrong audience. So let me say, for example, you normally upload gaming content here on YouTube, then you went ahead and choose the wrong category. Then one thing that is going to happen is that YouTube is going to be showing your videos to people that have no interest whatsoever with gaming. And once that happens, your video is going to underperform and your video is going to flop. So what I'm going to do for you guys right now is that I'm going to actually show you guys how to set this up so you can go to your YouTube studio and go and choose the right category on that your channel. Now simply go to your YouTube studio dashboard and click on settings. Once you've clicked on settings, you see upload default. Click on it, then click on advanced settings. In here, once you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see the category section. So once you click on it, you'll be shown a lot of different categories. So all you have to do is just choose the one that best suits the kind of videos that you're uploading on your YouTube channel. And once you are done doing that, just click on save to apply changes. The next settings have to do with choosing if your videos are actually made for kids or not. And if you actually do this incorrectly, your videos will be pushed to kids, and not just that, you won't be able to make any money from those videos, because most of the time when your videos are set to made for kids, you won't be able to monetize those videos, or rather place any ads on those videos. So what I'm going to do again right now is show you guys on how to actually fix this and set this up so that you'll be able to monetize all your videos on your YouTube channel and make a lot of money from those videos that you are working hard on your YouTube channel. While still in your YouTube studio dashboard, simply click on settings again, or this time around click on channel and then click on advanced settings. In here you see a section that is asking you if your videos are made for kids, is not made for kids, or you want to be choosing this every single time you upload. So my advice for you is that you should actually click on no, is not made for kids, so that at least your video will be pushed to the right audience that are actually going to engage on your videos the right way. And apart from that, you'll be able to monetize your videos once you get monetized and make a lot of money from those videos here on YouTube. Now the third and fourth settings have to do with your video language and your video caption. Setting your video language correctly will actually help the algorithm to push your videos to people that actually understand what you're actually saying on your videos, because you don't want a situation where you didn't set any video language on your video and then you actually spoke English on your video, but now YouTube is actually showing your video to people that actually speak French or people that speak Spanish that won't actually even understand what you are saying on your video. So that is one of the reasons why you need to make sure you set up your video language in your YouTube studio dashboard. Now the other thing, which is the caption, actually helps people to watch your video for a longer time, or rather understand your video better. So that's just the main reason why caption are mostly important. And apart from that, when people are actually able to understand your video better and watch your video better, it's actually going to increase your audience retention. And you already know that if your audience retention is high, YouTube is going to push your video much more further, which is going to lead to much more views, much more watch hours, and much more subscribers for that your YouTube channel. So let me quickly show you guys on how to set this up. Now setting this up is also done in the YouTube studio dashboard. So all you have to do is just click on settings again, then click on upload default, and then click on advanced settings. So if you scroll down a little bit, you are going to see a section that's actually asking you your video language and also another language below. So just make sure that you put your language in there. As for me, I mostly use English on both. So once you've set your language up, then all you have to do is just click on save to apply your changes. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I'll be trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. And also by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.